In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add new users to HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a growing team or simply need to onboard a new colleague, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage, open your web browser and go to their official site. If you haven't bookmarked it already, just type in HubSpot on your search engine and it should be the first result you see. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you're already signed in, it'll take you straight to your HubSpot portal. Now that you're signed in, you'll be on your HubSpot home. This is your main dashboard where you can see an overview of your operations, contacts, and other essential information depending on how your HubSpot is set up. From here, we're going to navigate to the users and teams section to start adding that new user. This is where you can manage your user settings and permissions. To find it, look towards the upper right corner where there's a gear icon. That's your settings. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page. Once here on the left hand side, you'll see a menu. Find the users and teams option and click on it. You're almost there. Now in the users and teams section, you should see a button or an option that says create user. It should be prominently displayed so it won't be difficult to spot. Click on create user and you'll be directed to a form where you can enter the new user's information. Fill in the necessary details such as their email address and assign their permissions and roles. HubSpot allows you to customize the user's access depending on the responsibilities they'll have within your team. Take a moment to review these permissions thoroughly to ensure they're correct. After you have filled out all the details and confirmed everything is accurate, you can finalize by clicking the Create or Save button at the bottom. With that, your new user will receive an email invitation to join the HubSpot account, and they will need to follow the instructions in that email to complete their setup. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to add new users into HubSpot. Remember, if you need to add more users, you can simply repeat this process. HubSpot makes managing your team straightforward so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.